Hello everyone. In this video, I'll show you how to block a YouTube channel and explain the different options available for managing unwanted content on your YouTube account. Whether you are using a smartphone or a computer, the steps are similar. I will walk you through the process step by step. To start, open the YouTube app on your device. If you are on a computer, go to youtube.com in your web browser. First, navigate to the specific channel that you want to block. Once you are on a video from that channel, look for the three dots icon. On mobile devices, it will appear next to the video title. On a computer, it will usually be under the video player. Tap or click on the three dots to see the available options. One of the options is labeled Not Interested. Selecting this will remove the video from your recommendations, and YouTube will try to avoid showing similar content. Another option is Don't recommend this channel. This tells YouTube not to suggest videos from that particular channel on your home screen. However, this does not completely block the channel. If you search for that channel or its videos, they may still appear in your search results. For additional steps, tap or click on the profile picture or name of the channel to go directly to its profile. Once you are on the channel's main page, locate the three dots at the top right corner of the screen and select them. Here, you will see an option called Hide User from My Channel. Choosing this option prevents the channel from commenting on your videos. Their comments will no longer be visible to anyone, effectively stopping them from engaging with your content. If you are using YouTube with a child account, there is another option available called Block Channel for Kids. This restricts videos from that channel from being viewed in the account. This is particularly useful for parental controls, as it ensures that certain content is not accessible. It is important to note that YouTube does not currently offer a complete blocking feature like some other social media platforms. While you can limit recommendations and prevent a channel from engaging with your content, their videos and posts may still appear if you actively search for them. Unfortunately, there is no way to entirely block everything from a specific channel at this time. I hope this explanation clarifies the options you have for managing channels on YouTube. Thank you for watching.